Guys, my name's Lee. I'm from Dependable Construction. We got a call from a homeowner. A small tree hit their house, a couple of branches. After showing them pictures, we found one shingle that was damaged. They wanted us to replace it, so we figured we'd do a video to show you homeowners how to replace a shingle if you choose to do it on your own. The tools you'll need is a hammer, a 5-way, a wonder bar, and some more nails. So what we're going to do is we're going to pry up this shingle, remove the nails, and get ready to replace it. You also want to pull up the one above it to get those nails out. Now you're going to use your wonder bar, locate the nails, pop them out one at a time. Save the nails, don't throw them in the yard, that way you don't hit them with a lawnmower. There's usually 4 to 5 nails per shingle, so you want to make sure you get each one. You don't want to rip the shingle underneath of it. Make sure I got them on, one left. Now it's very important to get the shingle nails above it because it's actually holding down the shingle as well. Alright, looks like we got every nail that's holding that shingle down. Now that shingle should just slide right out. Now we'll use the extra shingle we had. Slide that in. Line up the lines. We'll take the extra nails that we had. Putting the same amount back in, 4 to 5 nails per shingle.